Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 20th, 2022. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today. I'm going to show you all how the market in Bitcoin has made a bounce. Now, is this a true bounce or is this a fake out? I'm going to talk about that today on my video because the market in Bitcoin has gone opposite of what my original intentions were. Yes, so I'm going to show you all what I expect the market to do now in Bitcoin, because now you guys can tell from my charts that the market is in the uptrend in Bitcoin. So when you see these type of things, I wanted to show you how you need to alleviate the losses and learn how to join the winning team so that you can profit from the move. So if y'all appreciate my videos and my content, then go ahead and hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel as well. Tap that bell notification because I want to make sure that each and every one of you all are aware of whenever I create my price predictions so that you will be one of the first ones to know where price is going to go. All right, so let's talk. First of all, you guys can see it right here in front of you. The market in Bitcoin went opposite of what I originally intended it to do, and it goes that way. You're not going to get every price prediction 100% correct. Now, the thing here is that we need to learn from it so that we can be better prepared for the next opportunity. So let me show you what really happened and at what point would you have said I need to cut this play, because obviously the market wants to move up. And if it wants to move up, then we need to make sure that we get out the way and participate with everyone else. So look at this. After I created my video here on July the 12th, the market in Bitcoin came through and held support. Now I want to show you all how could you tell that buyers stood up the price right here. Look at these days here in Bitcoin, June the 30th, July the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, even on July the 4th, the market in Bitcoin held support right there around $19,000. The market initially right here on the 13th of July bounced off of $19,000. This is where the upward momentum started in Bitcoin. So from outside of this direction, you guys should have said, okay, now I can see the buyers once again appearing in the market supporting price at 19,000. That was our first clue to tell us that the market in Bitcoin is becoming stronger. Okay. The second clue happened into the market in Bitcoin here. Okay. This area right here, this trading day on July the 17th was weakness. You all can see how the market on the 17th of July closed on the low of the bar. That resembles that the market in Bitcoin was weak. But then you ask yourself the question, the next day, I need to be expecting that the market in Bitcoin is going to continue to fall lower. So on July the 18th, the expectation would have been to see the market continue to go down. But look what happened instead. The market went up. July the 18th, instead of price going down in Bitcoin, it went up on a decent amount of volume. This is where you should have said, I'm going to cut the play. Right here to where our restriction area was, which is around 13.43%. This is where you should have let the play go, because this is definitely telling us that Bitcoin is really trying to move up higher in price. Now, is this going to be a sustained bounce? Is it going to continue to go up higher and higher as we approach the ending of 2022? That is yet to be determined, but we can see that the buyers are controlling the market right now. So what we need to do, we need to cut this play and ride along with the winning team, which currently is the buyers. The buyers are winning. So let's go ahead and cut this out. It would have been around 13% loss if you were to get out the market now, though, in Bitcoin. It's around 20.5%. Okay. Now, let's cut this and let's talk, because now I'm looking for the market in Bitcoin to go up. Now, as we zoom out of this price chart, can you tell where is the logical area that the sellers are positioned now? Because the market in Bitcoin has broken this last area of restriction, right? There's a couple of areas here that the market in Bitcoin needed to break above, namely right there around $22,000 right here. Okay. So that is our newest area of support, meaning that as long as we see Bitcoin's price trade above $22,000, we're going to expect the market in Bitcoin to continue to move higher. It's just that simple. That is the new basis for us to know whether or not the ability of Bitcoin's price to ride higher is still there. Okay. We need to see the market buyers hold that level. Now, outside of that, this is my next concerning point. right here, which is around like $25,400. Okay. Now it's a very shallow area that I would expect the sellers to come through. From here to 25,000, let's do 25,500 to 26,500. That area is where I'm looking for the market to run before we run into another inundation of more Bitcoin sellers entering the market, trying to push down Bitcoin's price. Now, the ultimate area is going to be up here towards $28,000, and everyone's going to be euphoric. Everyone's going to be ecstatic. Everyone's going to be happy. They're going to start creating videos saying it's the Bitcoin bull run now started. We all understand how this game is being played. All right. So there is definitely strength being had into the market in Bitcoin. I am going to cut this out right here because I want us to focus in on what the market in Bitcoin needs to do going forward. Not only should it hold price at $22,000, we also need to see the market continue in line with this trend. That would be even better. Okay, so either or, but no lower than $22,000. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and show you all the 2-day chart into the market in Bitcoin. It looks clean. The market bullishness is still here. Okay, look at that last completed 2-day price bar. We see the volume coming through. Everyone in the market is in agreement with really trying to push, not everyone, but majority of the market is in agreement with trying to move this market higher in Bitcoin. Look at this on the 3-day chart. And again, we got 13 hours left, but this is pretty decent right here. Okay, so we're going to expect the market price in Bitcoin to continue to trend higher. This is Bitcoin here on the 5-day chart. Looks decent here as well too. So my first price target is going to be around like $25,400. My second area is going to be up here towards 26,500. Then 28,000 is going to be my third. Now I'm really looking for the market of Bitcoin to run across issues here on this downtrend line. You guys can see that this is the current environment. This is the current move into the market in Bitcoin. So I'm going to look for the market here in Bitcoin to get rejected right here on this downtrend line in the long term. All right. So let me go ahead and drop this on the chart and we can go ahead and be done and continue looking forward to the market in Bitcoin with this ability to run up and move higher. Okay. So now that first price target is going to be, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, the first price target is going to be right here, 25,400, 450, around that area, which is 7.63% profitability. My second price target is like 26,500, which gives us around 12.25%. And then my third one is around $28,000, which gives us around 18.29%. Now, I told you all that we want to see price stay above $22,000. That still stands, but I'm going to bring it down just a little bit lower to around $20,000, just to give us a cushion to let us not to become extremely worried if the market was to fall below $22,000. Okay, so this is it. This is my forecast. This is my prediction as to what I'm looking for the market to do. So even if I see the market in Bitcoin do this, come down, hit this 25,450, begin to come down, I'm looking forward to kind of do something like that and then come all the way back down. But we'll come back into the market as the price continues to inch higher to $28,000 to see what really goes on, to see if the market is still bullish and continuing its upward move. But this is it. This is where I'm at right now. Okay, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Give me your price prediction and your price target in Bitcoin. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.